Hi, welcome to my demonstration of the Sharper Image Anti-Snoring Pillow. In this video, I unbox the pillow, show the features, and discuss various ways to use the pillow to eliminate snoring. Let's open the box. Pull it out. Let's see what else is in here. Okay. So there's a couple of different things in here. But first, here are the instructions on how to use the pillow. Now, you notice there is a correct use section, which explains that you must sleep on your right or left side for the pillow to work. I'll discuss this more later in the video. Now, next is the manufacturer's warranty, which is for 2 years. Also included is a pillow cover. Now, it's separate so it can be easily washed. But any queen-size pillow can be used, but it won't fit as good as a custom-designed pillowcase. Now next, the pillow itself. It's an average-size pillow, standard length and width. The firmness is about, I'd say, medium. There's a second cover already on the pillow. It's thicker. It's a thicker material, of course. And now this can be unzipped, and you see the memory foam, which makes it comfortable. Now, the memory foam doesn't appear to be as dense as a Tempur-Pedic or similar high-end pillow foam. Notice the curve at the front here. Right in here. Your head sits here, your neck sits here actually, so your head is positioned on the pillow. And it's limited to this section, which is about 10 inches. You can lay on your back with your neck here, and your head is then slightly tilted back. It's a good position for less snoring. However, Sharper Image recommends side sleeping as the best way to eliminate snoring. Now, by sleeping on the side, your head rests against one of these two support areas, here and here. Side sleeping combined with a slight tilt of the head upwards has been shown to be able to keep the airways unobstructed. If you're a back sleeper, there are other products that you can combine with this pillow to prevent rolling over onto your back, such as the iSleep Fit, or even placing a large separate pillow behind you. I've even heard of people putting tennis balls in a sock and sewing them to their shirt, all to prevent back sleeping. Now, another idea is to combine this pillow with an anti-snoring mouthpiece, such as the Snorer RX or Zipa. By doing so, you can maximize the open airway with mandibular advancement and sleep on a pillow designed specifically for clearer breathing. Now, I ordered this pillow direct from Sharper Image website. They have a secure site with fast shipping. Now, they also offer discounts, such as a mystery coupon code, where you get a random discount in your email inbox of between 5% to 50% off one product. My code ended up being 15% off and shipping was free. To see more reviews of anti-snoring pillows or mouthpieces, visit our website at snoringhq.com.